Hey there, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by to check out some of our fantastic products, one of which is sitting right inside of this box that we're going to open and talk about. It's called the Pavement. It comes shipped to you as fast as humanly possible to whatever kind of dwelling you prefer, chateau, hobbit hole. We don't judge here. Inside, it's a fantastic card telling you that you're great for joining the Manly Bands movement. There's some customer service information in there if you have any questions about your product. There's also some compliments probably, and links for social media. So check us out. Post some pictures of your own, of your band, because we know you're going to love it and want to take pictures of it, just like your scrambled eggs this morning. Inside there we have it, the Pavement. Pavement is one of our carbon fiber rings. It comes in at 8 millimeters. It's got a flat design, very simple, very elegant. And then the pattern on it, I would kind of describe as like military camo, but in all black. And you just kind of notice the difference in the pattern between the flat and I would say the satin finish that's on there. So very cool, very simple. Pavement, I'm trying to think of things that I think of whenever pavement comes to mind. I think of maybe expedition, modernization, or just telling somebody to hit the bricks, which is one of my favorite phrases. Actually, Corey, hit the bricks. Just kidding, keep rolling the cameras. Inside also is our black silicone band that is included with your purchase, so you get 2 beautiful rings for the price of 1. And also are some special offers or promotional materials that from people that we partner with that we think will bring you great products and great joy. So, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the Pavement on manlybands.com.